Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Welcome back to the quiz course from Lifter here. So let's dive in. Our next question is the code question type. The code question type allows users, the students, to type in code from a specific coding language we can select here. And as you can see, it's very specific to the language and it's very specific type of course this question type is for. But if you do have a course that requires students to submit code, this is a great way to do that. We'll say, what code did you put together? So that'll be my question here. And I'm asking for HTML code from the student. And let's save our changes and head to the front end to see what this code editor looks like. Take quiz and start quiz. All right, we can see here we have a general code editor here, and I can just go ahead and start typing some HTML here. But yeah, that's it for the code question type. This is manually graded, so the student can type whatever they want in here, and the instructor or admin will need to go in and manually grade their quiz in the reporting. We'll show you how to do that in a future video. But thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.